Okay, so I'm going to be explaining how I got to this point of my geometry project and how I got all these formulas. So first I got my midpoint formula x1 plus x2 over 2 comma x1 plus y2 over 2. So first I went to Desmos and I picked out 2 points 0 comma 10 and 12 comma 0, and I found that point, which was 6 comma 5, by using that equation. And then I found the midpoint of 6 comma 5 and 0 comma 10 to make sure, like, to start the fourths of the line segment, and that was 3 comma 7.5. And then I found my last part of my line by finding the midpoint of 6 comma 5 and 12 comma 0, and that was 9 comma 2.5. And then I just connected those in one line segment, so this is like the fourths. So yeah.